Alright guys, we're here at Empire Motors in Oxnard, California. Today we have a 2011 Forest River XLR toy hauler. I'm going to take you on a quick walk around of the unit. As you can see, it's got one super slide on it with great big windows on the slide. All around the slide as well, you've got a nice window here as well. The slide comes way out. Up in the front here, you've got a nice light to make it easy to hook up to your truck. It's a really nice unit. Over on this side, you'll notice you got two access doors, one right here and the other one in the rear. It also has speakers on the outside. You got nice wheels on this unit with good tires. Once again, it is a 2011. Go ahead and we got a roof access ladder here. And let's go ahead and make our way on the inside. We'll go through the rear right here. So this is where you can load up all your toys. You got the hooks to strap down your bikes. You've got storage here. You've got a nice pull down bed that pulls down. And over here is your bathroom. You've got a nice mirrored cabinet here, nice sink. The storage behind it, you got lots of storage in here. You've got a nice shower enclosure, nice shower head as well. Shower is actually pretty big on this model. And we'll go ahead and make our way to the rest of the unit. You've got the stereo system here, nice recliner. There's the dinette. Turns into a bed as well. You got a Dometic 2-door fridge. It's very clean. Also, you got a 3-burner stove with an oven below and a microwave up top. You actually get deep sinks on this model. And you have a really nice countertop in the kitchen as well. Lots of storage above and below. It's really got a great floor plan. And feel free to give us a call if you have any questions about it. Our phone number is 805-486-6424. And we'd love to go over it with you. And you got the space to put a TV right there. There's also one in the bedroom. But yeah, you will have to get TVs for it. Model number is a 29 MBV. And the decals are all shining like new. So please call us with your questions. Thanks for watching.